the drum area. So this is the drum unit I'm pulling out now. You can see that gear there. When that gear has worn out, it begins to make grinding sound because the other gear at the other end of the printer can't engage with it completely, so it makes that sound. So what we're going to do right now is to just replace the drum because the gear is attached to the drum. So once you just begin to make that grinding sound, the first thing is to check is that gear. You notice that gear has worn out, it has eaten out, some part of the gear has eaten out, and that is why it's making that grinding sound. So to remove the drum, I'll need to remove this pin here. That is for this particular drum I'm replacing. Your own drum can be a bit different. So this one, I have to remove this metal here, and that will help me to be able to remove the drum easily. So this is the drum. I'm going to pull it out easily right now. So